The secret garden door. It was a sunny afternoon when Leo was walking in the school garden. The school was old, with tall walls and many hidden places. Leo liked to walk there after class because it was quiet. He usually sat under the big oak tree to read or write in his small notebook. One day, while exploring, Leo noticed something strange. Behind the bushes, there was a small wooden door in the wall. It was almost hidden, and he had never seen it before. The door was old, with green paint peeling off, and it had a rusty handle. Leo felt curious. He pulled the handle, but the door was locked. He decided to return the next day. At home, Leo could not stop thinking about the door. Kay wondered what was behind it. Was it another garden? Was it an old storage room? Or maybe something mysterious? He felt excited. The next afternoon, Leo brought a small flashlight and his notebook. He also carried a sandwich and a bottle of water because he thought it might take time. When he reached the door again, he tried pushing harder. Suddenly, the door moved a little. It was not completely locked, only stuck. With one more push, the door opened. Behind the door, Leo saw a narrow path covered with leaves. The air smelled fresh, and sunlight came through the branches. He stepped inside carefully. The path led to a hidden part of the garden that nobody seemed to use anymore. There were flowers, tall grass, and an old stone bench. Birds were singing, and a butterfly flew past him. Leo sat on the bench and looked around. It felt like a secret world. He opened his notebook and wrote, "Today I found a hidden garden. It is beautiful and peaceful. I feel like it belongs only to me." He smiled while writing. In the following days, Leo visited the garden many times. He brought books to read, and sometimes he drew pictures of the plants and birds. The garden became his secret place. He felt safe and calm there. One day, Leo noticed something new. Near the bench, there was a small box half buried in the soil. He dug it out carefully. Inside the box, there were old photos of students from many years ago. The students were smiling, standing in the same hidden garden. Leo realized that the garden was not only his secret, other students had found it before him. He felt connected to them, even if he did not know their names. He imagined those students sitting on the same bench, reading books or laughing together. It made the place even more special. Leo decided to keep the secret, but he also wanted to share it with someone he trusted. He thought of his best friend, Anna. She loved reading and drawing like him. One afternoon, he brought Anna to the door and showed her the hidden garden. She was amazed. Together, they promised to take care of the place. From then on, the secret garden was their meeting spot. They cleaned the path, watered the flowers, and even planted new seeds. The garden started to look more alive every week. It became a place full of color and joy. Leo wrote in his notebook, "Treasure is not always gold or silver. Sometimes, treasure is a secret place where you can dream, read, and share with a friend."